Okay, hello again guys, and today in maths we're looking at using our number bonds of 10 knowledge to help us add three one-digit numbers together quickly. So let's have a look at our number bonds of 10 first. Let's do a little bit of revision of that. So on my Save the Whale game, I have 7 lengths of pipe, but I need to make 10. So I've written that out as a number sentence. I've got 7 plus something equals 10. How many more do I need? What 7 add what makes 10? What is that number bond? Well, I've got 7, 8, 9, 10. I had to add 3 more on. So 7 add 3 equals 10. So we've saved them. Let's see what our next one is. So next one we have 8 plus something equals 10. So I'm going to write that out as a number sentence. 8 plus something equals 10. How many more do I need? Nice and simple. 8 in my head, 9, 10. I had to add on 2 more. So 8 plus 2 equals 10. Let's see what our next one is. So our next one is 2 add something equals 10. We've just done the opposite of that, haven't we? Because 8 add 2 makes 10, and 2 add 8 makes 10. Of course, we've just swapped those numbers around. So that is another number bond, even though it has the same numbers. It's a different number bond. Because we can always do the opposites to make different combinations. Okay, and look, it's given us that one again. So I'll put my 2 on. Fingers crossed it gives us a different one. 5 add what makes 10. The one number bond that everyone does know, because it's on your hands. 5 add 5 makes 10. Everyone always remembers that one. When you ask someone for a number bond of 10, that's the one you guys always say. Okay, this time we've got 4 add something makes 10. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I had to add on 6 more. So 4 add 6 is 10. But also 6 add 4 equals 10, because don't forget, we can spin them all around. So I'll put that game on for anyone who wants to have a go. A little bit of revision from the past. And now we'll move on to what we're doing. So you might want to start on these. Number bonds to 10, simple questions. So you've got your 10 here, you've got your 6. All you have to do is, how many more do you need to add on to 6 to make 10? So your 2 numbers on this side should add up to make 10 each time. Then we'll move on to what we're really focusing on today. So if you read the instructions, circle the pairs of numbers that add up to 10, then add the third number to make the total. So I'm going to look here, my question. I have 5 plus 8 plus 5. Now, do any of those numbers make 10, or any number bonds to 10 in there? I can see that that's a nice easy one to start with. 5 and 5 both make 10. Okay, so now I have a 10 and an 8. Now, I don't need to add 10 and 8, because I already know that 10 and 8 is a group of 10, and 8 ones is 18. A group of 10 and 8 ones is 18. I don't need to do 10 add 8, because it's a simple, very simple number. So my answer for that first question is 5 add 5 was 10, 10 add 8, a 10, one set of 10 and 8 ones is 18. Okay, let me do another one. Okay, so I've got 4 add 8 add 2. Do any of those numbers make 10? Yes, I know 8 and 2 makes 10. So there's my 10, my one set of 10, and I've got 4 ones left over. Okay, let me do another one. We'll do 7 plus 3 plus 4. Which numbers there make 10? 7 and 3 is a 10. So I'll put my one set of 10, and I have 4 extra ones. So guys, that's what you've got to do. Not too complicated. And if you want to make it a little bit harder, you can complete the challenges which I've put below. So let me scroll down to show you those now. This is all about making your life easier when you're adding numbers together, looking for patterns, always looking for ways so that you're not sitting adding 3 numbers together, because that might take a while. Okay, so there's a little challenge at the bottom there. Challenge, can you use number bonds to 10 to make sets of 4 numbers that add up to 20? So, first of all, you need to think, How many sets of 10 is there in 20? Well, we know, because the first digit tells us that there are 2 sets of 10 and 20, so we need to make 2 sets of 10. Now, I know I could do 5 add 5, that makes 10. What other ways could I do 10? I could do 10 add 0. That also makes 10, but it says for 1-digit numbers, so I can't use 10 because 10 is a 2-digit number. So I'm going to rub that one out. Always important to read the question carefully. So 5 add 5 is fine because they're 1-digit numbers. I could also do maybe 8 add 2. So I've got that 10 and that 10, 2 10s altogether, we know makes 20. So you can see how many different ones you can make. You can maybe let me know how you get on with that. Then, if you do that quickly, which I'm sure some of you will, we have some true or false questions over here. So what you have to do is, you have to add the numbers together and see if the statement is correct. So, always looking for numbers bonds to 10 while you're doing so. So, 3 plus 7 plus 6 equals 17. I can see that I know that 3 add 7 is a 10. So, I'll put that 10 there. And I know 10 add 6. I'm not going to add that because I know a group of 10 and 6 extra ones from our song is 16. So is 16 equal to 17? True or false? That is false. Okay, so there are a few more of those for you to work out. Some of them a bit trickier near the bottom. You've got some greater than and equals to signs, but I'm sure you'll enjoy figuring them out. Best of luck, okay? Thank you to everyone who sent me the work yesterday again. Everyone's doing a great job. Great start to the week, okay? See you soon. Bye-bye.